All right, y'all. So I got my grounds, all my soil, seeded and drug. I drug everything. Yeah. Man, I forgot I had a drag harrow. Like I've been had one. I bought it from the beginning. I just had to go back there and put it back together. So we got all our brown top millet in the ground. I did go with iron clay peas to add that nitrogen back to the soil. So now it's supposed to rain this weekend. We're just hoping to get some consistent rain. We're supposed to have they said I was reading something about a super El Nino this year, that we're supposed to have a great amount of rain. We needed the rain, man. If it could rain, yeah, but that's what we shooting for, man. Just praying for the rain. But yeah, we got that field done. Y'all remember when we first started how bad it looked? It was compact. It was very compact. It's because I was using that doggone tiller. That tiller was doing it. Once I put that discer on it, it kind of chopped it up real good. But I did go plow. I plowed it. I tilled it and I disced it. So moving forward, I'm not gonna till it any longer. I'm not tilling no more. I'm only gonna use my discer. Once I disced it, I could tell the difference in how everything looked. Everything looks real good. The soil like stayed a little bit looser. Yeah, it did good. The tiller worked for me in the garden when I'm doing like the garden, loosen up the soil, a food plot, something like that. But on my pasture area, I'm gonna just stick with my disc. Well, I'm going to get a disc today. I'm about to go pick that mug up. But that's it, y'all. Got that one done. Got the one across the field done. We did 3 all together, and all together they come up to be right at 2.5, 3 acres. And then once I can establish this get to growing and we get rain, we're gonna take them all off of these right here. We're gonna take them off across the big field. We're gonna take them off these. I can put my goats right there, let them eat, put my sheep over there in the smaller one. Then I can rotate them. Then we can start doing that to this. I'm gonna do the same thing to this. Take my drag all this poo in the ground, all this nitrogen in the ground. Then I'm gonna come back and disc it up real good. Then we're gonna seed it. Yep, and I'm gonna go brown top and everything with this one as well. Then we're gonna come back and in the winter and rotate them. In the fall, we're gonna rotate them off these fields and put them back over here, because we should have the brown top stockpile and the iron clay stockpile. Then we're gonna do doggone winter rye, and we're gonna do white clover, and I think it's another one called, is it crescent or crimson clover? One of them. All right.